Travessa da Boa Vista for cake hands, good view lane. Love it, the art, views of the stairs, views of the Kotai Strip, views of the colors, views of the Travessa da Boa Vista, it's so damn turista. They really should have a barista. Alimentava an artista. Climb the stairs, one and all, for a damn good view. Come on, all, climb the stairs and take a look. Travessa da Boa Vista, it's so damn turista. They really should have a barista. Alimentava an artista. Travessa da Boa Vista.
So we have this little street right here. It's called Travessa de Boa Vista. Boa Vista is like the good view. And there's actually some pretty nice artwork if you look down this way on these steps. Before we focus on the street, we're just gonna kind of show you what's around here. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. The Lusofonia is kind of going on. So there's this nice, if you look over on that side, you can see a really nice view. So it's kind of interesting. They have the Travessa de Boa Vista. Let's just kind of walk down a little bit because it won't really make sense. But you have good views on both sides. So this side as well. And then they'll have some artwork on here, but I think it's more like down this way. So let's catch that. You also have some houses in here, and then that's all type of central right there. So let's take a look. So now you can see these houses that are up on the side, and then this blue one as well. That's the public bathroom right there. So let's walk down a little bit further, and then you can get a better sense of it. So now you can see it more clearly, right? So it's definitely just painted. And from this way you would have no idea. But from this way, it looks like it's built into it, right? Okay, let's step back even further. So yeah, originally the view would have been from probably overlooking the city, but also overlooking the ocean as well. So before, this would have been overlooking the ocean, but now it overlooks casinos. So yeah, this would have been the lane of the good view. So you'd come up here and get a good view of the ocean, and you could look all the way to just kind of see. We don't want to miss anything here. If we go up to Karma, which we might do, there's another way to go up as well. But this is going to be our focus for this one. So let's walk back. Try to capture it more like that. There's our street sign again. Travessa de Boa Vista. The WC, the bathroom is at the top, so you have to climb the stairs to get to the bathroom up there. And then down here, let's just kind of walk back. So now you can see the way that the street looks from that particular angle. So we're actually going to go up that way, but I kind of felt like I needed to focus on the street first. So Travessa de Boa Vista. Got some beautiful colonial buildings right here. Then to the right is actually a firecracker factory. So you can see all the symbols for that. And then we're going to be going up the entrada in a moment. There's a shrine right in here. Okay. So our little Street of the Good View was right there. And then you have this beautiful building and this beautiful building. Another shrine temple right on the right. And we're going to walk up. So we have another one. This is called Carmo. So let me just capture it real quick. Carmo. So I think our target street would be the other one, but we'll just go up it anyways. And there's actually a Lusophonia festival going on right now, so we'll probably see a little bit of that. So, okay, let's get into the shade a little bit. So we were just on the other side of that. And we also have this kind of cool, this is actually a coffee shop right there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up. There's the coffee shop. They have events up there, so we're gonna go see what that's all about in a moment here. Some nice trees. I'm just gonna, there's some performance up here, but I'm just gonna show you something real quick. So all of these trees that have numbers on them are like cultural heritage, basically. So you can actually look at the QR code and see all about it. And then up at the top, we have the Lusophonia going on today. And we have some events. And this is actually Carmel Church. And actually that little space that we were at was right down there, so we just walked down that way. But we're gonna stay here and try to make it a little bit circular. Let's cruise through here.
Não se esqueçam, os pés e as cordas é que trabalham. Cuidado com tudo que vocês
Oh, they're still going. Pretty fun. Okay, so we're gonna come back this way. And then this is the festival down here. So they have all the different tents in this way. So we have Brazilian, Bossa Nova, we have Angola, Mozambique, Cape Verde. And then you have the type of museum houses right here as well. And then up there you can actually take an incline and go up to the top and get some amazing views as well. So you have, this is the good view because you can see what used to be ocean and then they reclaimed it. And they made, they put all the casinos there so you can see like the Morpheus, City of Dreams, Londoner, all of them over there. Okay. So let's go back. And we're kind of in this area called Carmel. So Karen, JP, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay, so we saw that view. We have that one. We have that one, and then we're just gonna walk back down. This will just kind of so they have this park that's where the Travessa of the Good View starts at. So we go back just to kind of get some conclusion to it. There we go. So that's the park up on top. And now we're back at the Travessa de Boa Vista. And then somebody has a house right on top of the hill. Then you have all the the type of central, kind of the downtown, all the residential high rises with stores down below on the ground level. And anyways, let's end it right there.